What if you lose everything and still get one last chance to fix it? Thanos has snapped his fingers and half of all life is gone. The Avengers are broken. The world is silent. 5 years later, everything is changed. Tony Stark is living with his family. Steve Rogers is helping survivors. Thor is completely broken. Natasha is holding the team together. Suddenly, Scott Lang comes back. He says something shocking. Time travel is possible using the quantum realm.
It was a mild subduction under the African plate.
Do we have a visual how we handle it?
The Avengers create a plan, go back in time, collect all Infinity Stones, and bringing everyone back. On Vormir, a painful truth is revealed.
I do, Captain America.
To get the Soul Stone, someone must die. Natasha sacrifices herself. Thanos from the past discovers their plan. Thanos from the past discovers their plan. He attacks the Avengers base. A massive war begins. Suddenly, portals open. All the last heroes return. The final battle starts. Thanos gets the stones again, but Tony Stark makes the final move. He says, "I am Iron Man." He snaps and Thanos is gone, but Tony Stark dies. Steve Rogers returns the stones. He stays in the past with Peggy Carter. Sam Wilson becomes the new Captain America. This is not just a movie, it's an emotion. A story of sacrifice, hope, and heroes.